Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, hello, my client is not getting a lot of calls, and I'm on my doing search ads. Should I expand it to display? Currently, we are running two ad sets. Okay, so because I do not know much about your niche, your target country, your budget, and how old or how optimized your campaigns are. But as a general, because it's a general question, and to answer it, for calls, I do not recommend going with display ads. Display ads are good for branding purposes, because the brands want to being remembered as an identity, as a top of the mind. For instance, if you're a doctor and you are doing a branding, for instance, if you're a dental doctor and someone has a dental issue, your name coming directly in their mind is something I call a marketing. So for or a branding, for that aspect, the display campaigns are very good. I have seen scenarios where the display campaigns also got conversions, good sales as well. But for calls, no, I would recommend, but rather there is a call campaign or a call extension on search ads, which actually differentiate it from display. So which is why, for call ads, my preference would always be search ads at the first scenario. So also, how optimized your campaigns are. In case if you're targeting big areas, you may eventually end up wasting money. So you need to divide your campaigns into small areas to see which area is working well. And the first thing is that you need to optimize your ads. The optimizing your ad, first of all, uh, for search ads, create a call campaign. There is a difference between creating a search campaign and creating a call campaign. So my recommendation is to create a call campaign, and this could definitely increase, because with a call campaign what happens is, this is kind of a simple ad extension. But with when I you see this over here, but when you add a call campaign, there is an option of directly, people clicking on that, and they can directly call you. And usually it happens, with services like plumber near me, lawyer near me, or something near me, or something in emergency service someone may need for that, work well. So my first advice is going to be create a call campaign. The second is, see your search terms, and see, in case if you are seeing unnecessary keywords, look around those, and focus. First of all, change your keyword match type to uh, phrase match. Okay, once you do it, phrase match, and then see, if it's improving your sales. Also look around your search terms, remove unnecessary keywords. Also add extensions with your ads, like location extension helps, bringing more authority. If in case if you have reviews, you can advertise with rating. So in case if you have a deal or a pricing, this also increases the interest, because your ad needs to be very attractive, to get the attention of the people. So these are the few things, which I can see, from a general information. But in case if you are looking for a detailed audit, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire me through one of the link in the description, and we're going to help you to create an awesome Google Ads campaign, which is gonna increase your sales. So in case if you need a professional help, do hire me. But I hope this answers your basic question. But in case if I still left a point, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.